companies that work in the online space, whether they are social media companies or increasingly other kinds of companies that have a major online presence and where harms can manifest, usually employ some sort of taxonomy of harms. And taxonomies look a little bit different company by company, but they follow a very similar overall structure. So, for example, at Twitter, where I worked on the public policy team and where I facilitated our Global Trust and Safety Council, which was Twitter's largest public consultative body, we thought about harms in a number of different categories. So we looked at safety related issues like abuse and harassment, terrorism and extremism, child sexual exploitation, hateful conduct, mental health, crisis, as well as issues like authenticity. So issues like synthetic and manipulated media, disinformation, election and civic integrity, health misinformation or COVID specific misinformation. And then we also thought about issues like rights and privacy. So, for example, we thought about the role of human rights in the policies that we set, and free expression, privacy and data protection. And we had a series of trust and safety council groups for specifically on digital and human rights, child sexual exploitation, online safety and harassment, and suicide prevention and mental health that helped shape the policies that we were putting out. Now I work at DoorDash, where um, we are are supporting a group of millions of Dashers as well as customers and merchants. So a three-pronged marketplace where most of the interactions are very positive, but sometimes there can be negative interactions or harmful interactions. And so the kinds of policies that our team looks at fall into a few major buckets: safety, authenticity or trust, quality, and fraud. And so these are the kinds of policies that trust and safety teams are looking at digital platforms or tech companies. And really what these policies are looking to do is to create a better, safer, and more secure experience for users on the platforms.